Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get premium on Spotify. So in order to do this, first of all, open a Spotify application on your mobile phone and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the premium icon at the bottom right side of the screen, that is the circle icon. Now, you can browse between different kind of plans that is available for you. So, you have different kind of plans such as premium individual, premium mini, premium individual, premium family, premium duo and premium student. So you can choose any kind of premium you want from this page. Now if you're not seeing this premium for any reason, you can click on home, click on your profile icon at the top left, click on settings and privacy, click on go premium and you'll be again taken to this page. Now from this page you'll have to just click on get premium. Choose any kind of plan you want, the process will be same. Just choose that plan and click on continue with Spotify to pay it. You'll have to choose whether you want to pay with Spotify or Google Play. If you want to pay with Google Play, choose Google Play and click on continue with Google Pay, and this will show up this small pop-up where you can click on the payment option and choose whether you want to pay with credit or debit card, Google Pay balance, UPI, GPay. You can also redeem codes and ask someone else to pay by choosing this button. Now, after completing the payment, you would have successfully subscribed to the premium plan on Spotify and have it quickly. So that is a simple way through which you can get premium on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.